In this video, I will solve JEE Advanced 2023 Paper 2, question number 14 and question number 15 both. This is question. ABC is a triangle and radius of circumcircle of this triangle is 1. We have to prove that A is equal to 2 sin A, B is equal to 2 sin B, C is equal to 2 sin C, where A is side length CB, B is side length AC, and C is side length AB. We join this point C and this point O, which is center of this circle, and extend this to meet circumference at point D. Then this CD will be diameter of this circle. Since radius is 1 unit, then CD will be 2 times radius, that is equal to 2 times 1, that is equal to 2 unit. Now we join this D point and this B point. Since this CD is diameter of this circle and diameter of circle subtend 90-degree angle at the circumference, therefore this angle will be 90 degree. Since chord of a circle subtend equal angle at the circumference lying on the same side of this chord, if this angle is A, then this angle will also be A. Both angle will be equal. If this angle is A, then this angle will also be A. Now in this triangle CBD, side opposite to angle A, CB, and side opposite to angle 90 degree is CD. Sin A will be equal to sin theta is equal to ratio of two sides, side opposite to theta by side opposite to 90 degree. Therefore here sin A will be equal to CB by CD, that is equal to CB is equal to A, and CD is equal to 2. That means sin A is equal to A by 2. This implies 2 sin A is equal to A. That means A is equal to 2 sin A. In the similar way, it can very easily be proved that B is equal to 2 sin B and C is equal to 2 sin C. This is question. ABC is a triangle Small a is side length CB, small b is side length AC, and B is equal to A plus D. Side length C, this AB, is equal to A plus 2D. This angle is theta, this angle is pi by 2 plus theta, this angle is pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Radius of circumcircle of this triangle is 1 unit. We have to find value of ABC. Since we already have proved that A is equal to 2 sin A, B is equal to 2 sin B, C is equal to 2 sin C. When angle A is theta, we will put here theta. A is equal to 2 sin theta. B is equal to 2 sin B. B is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. This implies B is equal to 2. This is formula. Sin pi by 2 minus any angle is equal to cos this angle. Sin pi by 2 minus this angle will be equal to cos this angle. C is equal to 2 sin C, but C is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. And this is formula. Sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, C will be equal to 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta. C is equal to this, B is equal to this, A is equal to this. Since B is equal to A plus D, when we put A plus D here, we get this. C is equal to A plus 2D. When we put A plus 2D here, we get this. Subtracting 1 from 3, we get this. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get this. This is also D, this is also D. Therefore, this is equal to this. And we get 2 cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. But cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Therefore, when we write value of cos 2 theta by using this formula, we get this. Since A square minus B square is equal to A minus B times A plus B, therefore cos square minus sin square theta can be written as cos theta minus sin theta times cos theta plus sin theta. Cancelling out cos theta plus sin theta from both sides, we get this. Shifting this 2 on the right hand side, we get this. But cos theta minus sin theta is D. That means D is equal to 1 by 2. In this 2 number, when we put this value of D in place of this D, we get this. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. By using that formula, we can write cos 2 theta like this. and we multiply both sides by 2 to get this. Here in place of sin theta, we write a by 2 is equal to sin theta, a by 2. Now this 2 square will be 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. Now we multiply both sides by 2 and get this. Shift alter on the left hand side, we get this quadratic equation. After solving this quadratic equation for a, we get a is equal to this. We can write 28 as 4 times 7. Then we get a is equal to this. Taking plus sign, this minus 1 plus root 7 by 2 is positive. Taking minus sign, minus 1 minus root 7 by 2 is negative. But a is side length of a triangle. Therefore, a cannot be negative. We will reject this value and accept this value. That means a is equal to root 7 minus 1 by 2. Now, b is equal to a plus d. A plus d, that is equal to this plus this, that is equal to this. C is equal to a plus 2d, a plus 2 times d, that is equal to this. Thus we get value of a, value of b, value of c. This is question. We have to find area of triangle ABC. We draw a perpendicular from point C to this AB. This is perpendicular. Then area of triangle ABC denoted by delta will be equal to 1 by 2 times base times height. Suppose this is height. This is height. Then base is AB and AB is equal to C. Therefore, C times height. C times height. Now we have to find height. In this triangle, CDA, CD by CA, CD by CA is equal to sin A. Sin angle A is equal to CD by CA. This implies H by CD is H and CA is B. B is equal to sin A. This implies H is equal to B sin A. Therefore, in place of height, we can write B sin A. But A is equal to 2 sin A. We already have proved. That means sin A will be equal to A by 2. That means delta is equal to ABC by 4. We already have found value of A, value of B, value of C. Putting these value in place of ABC, we get delta is equal to 3 root 7 by 16. Now we can easily find value of 64 times delta square and we get its value 1008. Now we have to find radius R of in circle of this triangle ABC. Area of this triangle PCB will be equal to 1 by 2 times base A times height R, because this, when we draw perpendicular from center of this circle to this side, then this meet at the point of contact and this becomes the radius of this in circle. Therefore, this will be perpendicular, this R will be perpendicular, 1 by 2 times base times height. Similarly, area of this triangle PBA will be equal to 1 by 2 times base is C and height is R. Area of this triangle PAC 1 by 2 times base is B and height is R. When we add this area and this area, we get area of triangle ABC. If we denote area of triangle ABC by delta, then delta is equal to 1 by 2 AR 1 by 2 AR plus 1 by 2 CR plus 1 by 2 BR. This implies delta is equal to R times A plus B plus C by 2. Delta is equal to R times A plus B plus C by 2. We already have found value of this delta and value of ABC. Therefore, we find A plus B plus C by 2. Write this value here and this value here and get value of R is equal to 0.25.